Winning is about struggle, effort, and optimism. Winning is fun, but winning alone is not everything. It is wanting to win, not giving up, never being satisfied until you achieve your goal. It is my honor to welcome you all on this spectacular day where we are celebrating the achievements of our students. This is the day we have been waiting for. Together, let us witness and discover the beauty of this day, the jubilation day for the post-test examinations, a colorful rainbow of programs. Prayer is a blessing. Prayer is power. Prayer is life. Let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty with a prayer song.
My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you, it's in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you, it's in you. I praise you with all of my heart. I praise you with all of my strength, with all of my heart, with all of my strength. All of my hope is in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you, it's in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you, it's in you. In you, it's in you. In you, it's in you. It's in you.
Dance is the hidden language of our soul. We have Sri Shambhavi of class 4 to commemorate the Almighty with a dance.
Wow.
Thank you, Shri Shambhavi, for the graceful performance. A glad evening filled with hopes, dreams, and excitement. Without further ado, I call forth Raksha Rajesh of Class 5 to welcome our honorable guests and parents to this spectacular event.
Let me begin with the quotes. You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. Yes, today is our day. I take immense pleasure in presenting the welcome speech of the Jubilation Day of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kalapakkam. With the blessings of our chairman, sir, under whom this program is initiated, and he is an inspiration to all. Welcome director, sir, and director, ma'am, who is a source of encouragement, and they offer the best learning environment for students. Indeed, we take great pride and honor in welcoming our great school heads and teachers. They have guided us instrumentally and who have been child-friendly mothers to us. They have worked endlessly to shape our young minds. They have enlightened hope, infused a passion for learning. Welcome, dear teachers. This ceremony would not have been possible if not for all parents. I take this golden opportunity in wishing each and every parent present here to take the time out of their busy schedule and have gathered here. Welcome, dear parents. Last but certainly not the least, I welcome all my dear friends, the proud students of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kalapakkam. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you, Raksha Rajesh. I now request our zonal head ma'am to address the august gathering.
A greeting to everyone present here. I'm Mrs. R. Lavanya, Zonal Head, profoundly honored to get the opportunity today to welcome the galaxy of intellects on behalf of EBC Kalapakkam. Today we are all gathered on the Jubilation Day event of our institute to celebrate your success. The reason behind today's celebration is the success of Velamal for the past years, and I am grateful to everyone's contribution that played a role in bringing greatness to our institution. Our school believes in enhancing academic qualifications along with development qualities like teamwork, leadership skills, confidence, determination, and moral value. Here we view education as the development of whole child. Attention placed not just on the intellectual development but also on the pupil's physical, social, and spiritual development. As far as our school is concerned, every student is a unique individual with special gifts and talents. We hope that with motivation, encouragement, and hard work, that all our students will discover their individual talents. One of our core beliefs about the academic success is that hard work, determination, and consistent effort are the key elements in achieving success. All the above is only possible within a firm with a code of discipline. This wouldn't have possible without the contribution and guidance of our beloved chairman, Shri M.V. Muthuramalingam, Velamal Educational Trust. Sir upholds the institution with utmost care and support. Thank you for being the guiding light, sir. I would like to thank Shri M.E.M. Sasikumar, Director of Velamal Educational Trust, Srimati Geetanjali Shashikumar, Director Academics, for the endless commitment to the institutions that have helped us to reach where we are standing today. Thank you for guiding and keeping our spirits high, sir and ma'am. We are and will be grateful for your contribution. We are proud of our students, and no doubt your child will become very significant person in this world. I thank our staff, students, and parents for your support and cooperation. Thank you, parents, for choosing Velamal. Thank you, one and all.
Now, I call upon Ms. Sasikala to call up the names of jubilant winners of Grade 3.
Miss Sahana has secured first rank with a score of 396 out of 400. Miss Dia has secured first rank with a score of 396 out of 400. Miss Zara Diana has secured second rank with a score of 394 out of 400. Miss Hanisha Phyllis has secured second rank with a score of 398 out of 400. Master Daksh Arun Prasad secured 3rd rank with a score of 392 out of 400. Master Daksh A secured 3rd rank with a score of 392 out of 400. Master Samuel Devaraj secured 3rd rank with a score of 392 out of 400. Master Lohit Darshan secured 3rd rank with a score of 392 out of 400. Miss Jonisha R secured 391 out of 400. Master Ebin T. Joji secured 390 out of 400. Miss Leah secured 390 out of 400. Miss Dikshita secured 390 out of 400. Miss Shanmati S has secured 390 out of 400. Miss Suji has secured 389 out of 400. Miss Subiksha KB has secured 388 out of 400. Master Sai Sarvesh has secured 388 out of 400. Miss Sahasra Sri has secured 388 out of 400. Master Dwarakesh has secured 388 out of 400. Miss Diksha has secured 388 out of 400. Miss Catalin has secured 388 out of 400. Master Sri Vijay has secured 387 out of 400. Miss Nitish Reddy has secured 387 out of 400. Master Adarsh M has secured 387 out of 400. Master Akshay Kumar T has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Meha Shri has secured 386 out of 400. Master Praveen Kumar has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Dikshita S has secured 386 out of 400. Master Niranjan K has secured 386 out of 400. Master Harshiv A has secured 385 out of 400. Miss Yarini YP has secured 385 out of 400. Master Sreenand Suresh Warrior has secured 384 out of 400. Master Hirish A has secured 384 out of 400. Master Jonas Catalin has secured 383 out of 400. Master Mithileshwaran has got 383 out of 400. Master Akshat Balasubramani has got 382 out of 400. Master Adavan has got 382 out of 400. Miss Lara has secured 382 out of 400. Master Pranav Sai has secured 381 out of 400. Master Shivacharan S has secured 380 out of 400. Master Abhinav S has secured 380 out of 400. Miss Sanjana K has got 380 out of 400. Master Srinivas A has secured 380 out of 400. Miss Kanishka S has got 380 out of 400. Master Pranav Chandrasekhar has got 380 out of 400. Miss Bhavisha M has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Falisha Asmat Fareen has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Lakshana S has secured 378 out of 400. Master Nitish P has secured 378 out of 400. Master Anandakannan S has secured 378 out of 400. Master Dakshin Balaji has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Yashita R has secured 378 out of 400. Master Divagaran P has secured 377 out of 400. Master Manoj Kumar has secured 377 out of 400. Miss Sahana D has secured 377 out of 400. Master Harshit Bala NK has secured 377 out of 400. Master Ashwant has secured 376 out of 400. Master Gautam has got 376 out of 400. Miss Mridulan has got 376 out of 400. Miss Samrita has secured 376 out of 400. Master Mahaprasad has secured 376 out of 400. Master Siddharth has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Kavya R has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Shruti has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Hema Varshini has secured 375 out of 400. Master Dev T has secured 375 out of 400. Miss Ritanya S.R. has secured 374 out of 400. Miss Ananya Christina has secured 374 out of 400. Master Pranit K.K. has secured 374 out of 400. Miss Shridula has secured 373 out of 400. Miss Sanjana has secured 373 out of 400. Master Vibhisan has secured 373 out of 400. Master Vivin has secured 373 out of 400. Master Vivan has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Akshita S has got 372 out of 400. Master Ritik Nimal has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Aditi has got 372 out of 400. Miss Fiona Abraham has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Mahirvadani R has secured 372 out of 400. Master Kishal has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Carolette Shivana has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Sanjeevini has secured 371 out of 400. Master Revant Raghav has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Keetana Raghav has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Shivani has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Sri Dakshini has secured 370 out of 400. Master Adam Safiullah has secured 370 out of 400. Master Kabilan has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Harshita has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Hanika has secured 369 out of 400. Master Ganit has secured 369 out of 400. Master Akhilan has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Tarunika has secured 369 out of 400. Master Sanjay has got 369 out of 400. Master Varun Vishwa has got 369 out of 400. Master Arav Kannan has got 368 out of 400. Master Keshav has got 368 out of 400. Miss Mishti has got 368 out of 400. Miss Darsha has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Kavya has secured 368 out of 400. Master Prajin has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Liana Venetius has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Vismita has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Sana has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Mithun Prabhakar has secured 367 out of 400. Miss Anushka has secured 367 out of 400. Master Pranav Narayanan has got 366 out of 400. Master Vamina Surya has secured 366 out of 400. Master Siddhant has secured 366 out of 400. Master Charan has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Aradhya has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Kaushika has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Jiyashree has secured 366 out of 400. Master Kannan has secured 366 out of 400. Master Sai Ajish has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Jaitra has secured 366 out of 400. Master Harish has secured 366 out of 400. Master Priti Vivasan has secured 365 out of 400. Master Alan P. Cyril has secured 364 out of 400. Master Gaurav Vipili has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Kalarikala Charumati has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Monica has secured 364 out of 400. Master Ram has secured 363 out of 400. Master Balavidyut has secured 363 out of 400. Master Gideon Orave Samuel has secured 362 out of 400. Miss Sandra has secured 362 out of 400. Master H. Ashwin has secured 362 out of 400. Miss Kashni Meenakshi has secured 362 out of 400. Master Pramod has secured 361 out of 400. Master Arjun has secured 361 out of 400. Miss Levishma Charan has got 360 out of 400. Miss Chandana has secured 360 out of 400. Miss Samantha has secured 360 out of 400.
I now request Miss Monisha to call out the names of students of grade 4 who have made us proud.
Master Jitin Jijesh of 4B has secured first rank with the score of 396. Miss Sri Varshita P of 4D has secured first rank with the score of 396. Miss Sahana Kartikeyan of 4E has secured first rank with the score of 396. Master Ashwath D of 4A has secured second rank with the score of 395. Master Advit Amit Padekar of 4A has secured third rank with the score of 392. Master Mohanish of 4A has secured third rank with the score of 392. Master Kritik Arun of 4B has secured third rank with the score of 392. Master Swarup Kumara Mangalam of 4B has secured third rank with the score of 392. Miss Petrina Rosario of 4E has secured third rank with the score of 392. Miss Prajna G of 4C has secured third rank with the score of 392. Miss Ananya C of 4D has secured third rank with the score of 392. Miss Satvika of 4E has secured third rank with the score of 392. Miss Mitra M of 4A has secured 390 out of 400. Miss Nitika G of 4C has secured 390 out of 400. Miss Vivita B of 4E has secured 390 out of 400. Master Lohit K of 4E has secured 389 out of 400. Master Harshit DS of 4A has secured 388 out of 400. Master Chidambaram R of 4D has secured 387 out of 400. Master Abhay Krishnan of 4A has secured 386 out of 400. Master Rayan Atharva of 4A has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Bhagyashree of 4A has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Diksha of 4B has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Naurin M of 4C has secured 386 out of 400. Master Sai Harjit of 4D has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Kaviksha KB of 4D has secured 386 out of 400. Master Girish P of 4B has secured 385 out of 400. Master Prithvijit of 4B has secured 385 out of 400. Master Sachin of 4D has secured 385 out of 400. Master Lakshay Chand of 4A has secured 384 out of 400. Miss Isha Maria Jijo of 4A has secured 384 out of 400. Miss Pooja of 4A has secured 384 out of 400. Master Suhant of 4B has secured 384 out of 400. Miss Reya P. Manonan of 4D has secured 384 out of 400. Miss Vishwajanani of 4D has secured 384 out of 400. Master Pranish Kaushik of 4E has secured 384 out of 400. Master Pranav M of 4D has secured 383 out of 400. Master Sai Sriram of 4E has secured 383 out of 400. Master Pranav Magesh of 4A has secured 382 out of 400. Miss Shakti Shri of 4A has secured 382 out of 400. Master Shravan Chidambaram of 4B has secured 382 out of 400. Master Tashwin of 4D has secured 382 out of 400. Miss Diya S of 4E has secured 382 out of 400. Miss Harini V of 4E has secured 382 out of 400. Miss Prakriti of 4E has secured 382 out of 400. Miss Vashini Reddy of 4C has secured 381 out of 400. Master Ayush of 4A has secured 380 out of 400. Miss Lakshana of 4A has secured 380 out of 400. Master Darshanesh of 4B has secured 380 out of 400. Master Vasigaran of 4B has secured 380 out of 400. Miss Kaniksha of 4B has secured 380 out of 400. Master Harish V of 4C has secured 380 out of 400. Master Sujay Sarvesh RS of 4C has secured 380 out of 400. Master Shravan V of 4E has secured 380 out of 400. Miss Takshita of 4B has secured 379 out of 400. Miss Ubashna of 4D has secured 379 out of 400. Master Kanish of 4D has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Lenora Maria Shaini of 4E has secured 378. Master Prem Kumar S of 4C has secured 377 out of 400. Miss Daksham Sharin of 4C has secured 377 out of 400. Master Abhinav K of 4A has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Abhinaya S of 4B has secured 376 out of 400. Master Sarvesh A of 4C has secured 376 out of 400. Master Vaibhav A of 4C has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Ananya K of 4C has secured 376 out of 400. Master Santosh KS of 4D has secured 376 out of 400. Master Ashwin Aditya of 4C has secured 375 out of 400. Master Kanish Kartikeya of 4C has secured 375 out of 400. Master Aravind Raj of 4D has secured 375 out of 400. Miss Anne Deborah Pauline of 4E has secured 375 out of 400. Master Siddharth of 4A has secured 374 out of 400. Master Sanjit of 4E has secured 374 out of 400. Miss Clariet Renina Charles of 4E has secured 374 out of 400. Miss Joshita R of 4E has secured 374 out of 400. Miss Wafika of 4A has secured 372 out of 400. Master Lokit Shankar of 4B has secured 372 out of 400. Master Nadine of 4D has secured 372 out of 400. Master Sarvesh S of 4D has secured 372 out of 400. Master Seduraman of 4D has secured 372 out of 400. Master Ashwin Raj of 4E has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Vishnu Lakshmi of 4E has secured 372 out of 400. Master Andrew Josh of 4A has secured 371 out of 400. Miss Pranati N of 4E has secured 371 out of 400. Master Vedesh of 4A has secured 370 out of 400. Master Raghav KS of 4B has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Durga J of 4B has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Aditi T of 4C has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Vaishnavi S of 4C has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Harini M of 4D has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Hasini S of 4D has secured 370 out of 400. Master Gautam U of 4C has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Jashvika of 4C has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Jeevashri of 4C has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Mirhana Kishore of 4A has secured 368 out of 400. Master Lokesh K of 4B has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Kenisha Shri of 4B has secured 368 out of 400. Master Arun Aditya of 4E has secured 368 out of 400. Master Jai Saravanan of 4B has secured 367 out of 400. Master Amarish of 4B has secured 366 out of 400. Master Adrian Samuel Rogers of 4C has secured 366. Miss Joshika R of 4E has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Vaishnavi LS of 4E has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Rakshita Shri of 4B has secured 365 out of 400. Miss Logadarshini K of 4C has secured 365 out of 400. Master Sai Roshan of 4E has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Vinisha Cheryl of 4B has secured 363 out of 400. Master Lohit S of 4B has secured 362 out of 400. Master Advay Anand of 4D has secured 362 out of 400. Miss Janashivani of 4D has secured 362 out of 400. Miss Sudiksha MR of 4E has secured 362 out of 400. Master Kavin J of 4C has secured 360 out of 400.
is here to announce with pride the names of students of grade 5 toppers.
Miss Pranavi Jibradar has secured a first rank with a score of 392 out of 400. Miss Aisha S has secured a first rank with a score of 392 out of 400. Miss Nityashree K has secured a first rank with a score of 392 out of 400. Miss Litra Darshini P has secured a first rank with a score of 392 out of 400. Miss Farhat Fareen G has secured a second rank with a score of 390 out of 400. Miss Ritika AMS has secured a second rank with a score of 390 out of 400. Master Avinash B has secured a second rank with a score of 390 out of 400. Miss Preeti J has secured a second rank with a score of 390 out of 400. Master Ashwant S has secured a third rank with a score of 387. Miss Arshita CK has secured a 386 out of 400. Master Akshintala Rishi has secured a 386 out of 400. Miss Samyukta S has secured a 386 out of 400. Miss Srinidhi Asan has secured 385 out of 400. Miss Vishmaya V Nair has secured 384 out of 400. Master Charan RD has secured 383 out of 400. Master Pradmesh P has secured 383 out of 400. Miss Charmati M has secured 383 out of 400. Miss Harini B has secured 383 out of 400. Miss Prarthana has secured 381 out of 400. Master Jonah Habakuk I has secured 381 out of 400. Master Sriram K has secured 380 out of 400. Miss Simra Wasim Muhammad has secured 380 out of 400. Master Rahul V has secured 380 out of 400. Master Mugundan S has secured 380 out of 400. Master Ayan Bachabial has secured 378 out of 400. Master Darshan G has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Priyanka S has secured 378 out of 400. Master Mugilan S has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Niharika R has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Aryanachi G has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Ruvantika J has secured 376 out of 400. Master Akil Murali Krishnan has secured 375 out of 400. Miss Riya Ranjit Kumar has secured 374 out of 400. Master Lionel Venantius L has secured 374 out of 400. Miss Pranita IP has secured 373 out of 400. Master Anurup N has secured 372 out of 400. Master Srihari D has secured 371 out of 400. Master Dikshidan R has secured 371 out of 400. Miss Roshini S has secured 370 out of 400. Master Parvesh S has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Kannata Tirupati has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Tanvika S has secured 368 out of 400. Master Abhit Radev A has secured 368 out of 400. Master Varun K has secured 367 out of 400. Master Shayanuddin Azat has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Divya Darshini G has secured 366 out of 400. Master Manaswin V has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Aishwarya V has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Vedashri P has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Varshini V.S. has secured 365 out of 400. Miss Kirtana B. has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Arshika R.K. has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Michelle Sparshana A.H. has secured 364 out of 400. Master Lekshan S. has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Keshika S. has secured 364 out of 400. Master Sarvesh SP has secured 363 out of 400. Miss Jiola Raj has secured 363 out of 400. Master Ritvik S has secured 362 out of 400.
Miss Srinidhi A has secured 362 out of 400. Miss Michaela A has secured 361 out of 400. Miss Dhanyashree R has secured 361 out of 400. Miss Ashini B has secured 361 out of 400. Master Kishore SK has secured 361 out of 400. Master Gurubaran K has secured 360 out of 400. Miss Anshika T has secured 360 out of 400.
With deep pride and joy, we congratulate each and every student who has been appreciated here today. A moment of gratitude makes a difference in your attitude. As we have come to the end of the event, it is time to show our gratitude to everyone present here. I request Ria from class 4 to deliver the oath of thanks.
A pleasant welcome to everyone. The best and the beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it a great privilege to propose the vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. Today, my words are not enough to express my gratitude. It is believed that it is not the place but the people who make the event worth remembering. We have proved it again. On behalf of all the students, teachers and the management of Velamar Bodhi Campus Kolapakam, I would like to thank our respected chairman sir who blessed us for this momentous occasion. A special mention to our director sir and director ma'am for standing as pillars of our strength. With a deep sense of gratitude, we would like to thank you for your support and guidance. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. I am immensely thankful to our school heads for inspiring us to come forward with zeal and dedication. Behind every successful event lies the effort of our committed faculty members. Thank you teachers for your immense contribution and enormous cooperation. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support of our parents. Where we stand today is the combination of all your hard work and efforts, and we know that we can go further with renewed confidence that you will be there with us to celebrate all our victories. I would like to end my speech with a quote. When we express gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not simply uttering words but live by them. I thank you all once again for your support in making this ceremony a grand success. Thank you one and all.